Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on the automotive industry. Today, we're going to take a look at the top AI cars currently on the market. From self-driving features to advanced assistive technology, these vehicles are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Number 1. Tesla Model S and Model X. First up, we have the Tesla Model S and Model X. These electric cars are known for their cutting-edge technology, including Tesla's autopilot feature, which allows for semi-autonomous driving. The cars also feature a large touchscreen display in the dashboard, which provides real-time information on the car's performance, as well as access to media and navigation. Number 2. BMW 7 Series. Next, we have the BMW 7 Series, which features the company's latest AI technology, called BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. This system allows drivers to control various aspects of the car using voice commands, including climate control, navigation, and entertainment. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is another AI-powered car that's making waves in the industry. It features the company's latest MBUX infotainment system, which can be controlled using voice commands, as well as a touchscreen display. The car also features advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. These are just a few examples of the top AI cars currently on the market. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more advanced features in future vehicles. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the world of AI in the automotive industry.